So the last thing I want to show you today is a little bit of the reporting and dashboards that are included out of the box with Dynamics 365. So we have a tab on the left-hand navigation called Dashboards. I'm going to close out my Copilot tab here. And I can see all sorts of data about what I'm doing with my sales activities. So we have a pipeline report here that shows me all of my open opportunities and the sales stages they are in. So the sales stages are based on those business process ribbons in the opportunity. So looking at this, I currently have $12,000 in opportunities in the develop stage. I have 5,100 in the proposal stage, and I have 58,000 in the close phase. Now, as a salesperson, I can just see my own records, but a sales manager, they would be able to see the records for their entire team, and then they can filter it out if they want to see data just specifically based on their own needs. I can see my goals, so I could have different sales goals or activity goals in here, and I could see where I'm at in terms of meeting my 100% share of those goals. My dashboards also can show me all my upcoming meetings. They can give me information about what are my opportunities that I need to review. So this Dynamics 365 sales opportunity is my single largest opportunity. So looking at this dashboard chart, I know that I need to focus on that. And I could also see information about the opportunities that I've closed in this current fiscal year. Now, this is just one of the dashboards, and these are the out-of-the-box dashboards. They can be completely customized to each of your users' needs. They can build their own dashboards if you give them the rights to do it, and you could have system dashboards that are for every user in your organization. We also have tools that allow us to show information in Power BI. So we have this one little tool here in our open opportunities. I'm just going to show a view called all opportunities here, because that has a lot more data. It has 82 different records. If I click on this visualize this view, what's going to happen is Power BI is going to look at my data and come up with a Power BI report that I can then take, and it's generating the report. It takes about 30 to 45 seconds for this to be created. Okay. And it's going to show me some Power BI reports that Microsoft is building for me based on the data that's in that report. Now, I can take these reports and I can change them. So I can say, show me by estimated close date, but not actual close date. I can change how my data is presented. I can take this information and I can save it into Power BI, make further modifications to it, and then present it as my dashboard in Dynamics 365. So I can embed Power BI dashboards in Dynamics 365, and these dashboards can show me information that's not just in Dynamics, but in other systems as well.